Can you solve for x here, given 2 to the power x plus x equals 135? Now, you can observe this one and say by inspection, 2 to the power 7 plus 7 is 135. Because 2 to the power 7 will give us 128. And 128 plus 7 will be 135. So by inspection, x equals to 7. So how do we solve for the x? Even though by inspection we know the answer solution. So we have 2 raised to x plus x equals to 135. Now what we are going to do here is very simple. I'll keep the 2 to the power x on my left and send this one to the other side. That will be 135 minus x. So I want to move this one to the right. So I'll divide both sides by 2 to the power x. So this one will go. So I have 1 equals to 135 minus x on 2 to the power x. Now I want to write this one in linear form. So since 1 over e to the power n is same as e to the power minus n, I can say 1 same as 135 minus x times 2 to the power minus x. As simple as that. Okay, so what we are working towards is very simple. We are working towards Lambert W function. Now, from here, we are working towards Lambert W function. Okay, so when we have p times e raised to p, and you take W function, you get p. So always what is here and what is there must be equal. But we have 135 minus x and we have minus x. Okay, so what we have to do here is to make this side 135 minus x. Okay, so what I'll do is to support both sides. So I'll multiply both sides by 2 to the power 135. So 2 to the power 135 times 1. We have 135 minus x, 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 135. Okay. Now, when we perform indices here, this side will be 135 minus x, and since we are multiplying, we add the powers, so that will be 135 minus x. As simple as that. So 2 to the power 135. Okay, so we are still working towards Lambert W function. Alpha times e raised to alpha. So W function of it will give us alpha. So how do we introduce the e here? Now before we do that, understand that e exponent ln of k, the answer is k. So anytime e raised ln of something, get that. So before we can introduce the e, we have to bring in this to this one so that it won't change anything. So my next step will be 2 to the power 135 equals to 135 minus x. So instead of writing this, I'll make it e raised ln of this 2, okay, exponent 135 minus x. Okay, so this one is a power rule which will come behind here. So my next step will be 2 to the power 135 equals to 135 minus x. So this one will come behind here. That will be 135 minus x, okay, times ln of 2. So ln of 2. Now, still, we are working towards Lambert W function, but it's here must be code here. So let's continue to, adjust this or continue to manipulate this one in such a way that what is here must be code what is here. So we have 135 minus x, 135 minus x, ln of 2, but no ln of 2 here. So what do? Let's multiply both sides by ln of 2. So 2 raised to 135, 135 minus x, ln of 2, e raised to 135 minus x, ln of 2. Okay, so from here, we can take W function. So since this one is the same as that, so let's take W function on both sides. Oh, sorry. I forgot to multiply this side by ln of 2. So ln of 2 is here. So let me repeat this one. So W function 2 raised to 135 times ln of 2. Then W function of 135 minus x ln of 2 times e raised to 135 minus x ln of 2. So this side it remains as 2 raised to 135 ln of 2, and the W function of this will get 135 minus x times ln of 2. Okay, now we can adjust this in such a way that we get something like this. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to break this one. We have 135. So 135 here, 135 here can be written as 2 to the power 7 times 2 to the power 128. Okay, so 128 plus 7 is 135. So instead of 135, I'll make it 2 to the power 7 times 2 to the power 128. Now if I add 1 to 8 to 7, I'll get 135. I'll get this 135. So I've done nothing. Times ln of 2. So we have ln of 2 equals to 135 minus x ln of 2. Now let's adjust this one such a way that we also get alpha times e raised to alpha. So that's that. Now what I will do is to make this side 2 to the power 7 ln of 2, okay, times 2 to the power. So instead of this, I'll make it e raised to ln of 2 to the power 128. equals to 135 minus x ln of 2. So we have the W function. So this one is the same as 128 ln of 2. And this one is a power to come behind. So we need 128 ln of 2. So let's check. This one is the same as this. Equals 135 minus x ln of 2. So the W function of this, we get one of them. 128 ln of 2 equals 135 minus x ln of 2. So from here, ln of 2 cancel ln of 2. So 128 equals 135 minus x. Okay, so let's solve x. So my x is the same as 135 minus 128. That will be 7. Alright. So when we verify, 2 to the power x plus x equals to 135. It's the same as 2 to the power 7 plus 7, which will be 135. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.